So now we have everything assembled. It's ready to go. And the only thing we need to do now is simply add our heating element. And we're ready to go. Next thing we'll do is we'll do our deflector. Now, remember where we put these 4 holes through our pipe here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take some really heavy duty wire, not copper wire, but some good steel wire that's tough. And we're going to stick it through here, and we'll go ahead and make another one about like this size. So now we have 2 heavy-duty wires, and we'll go ahead and make them straight. Make sure they're nice and straight to begin with. Because this right here is key to making sure that the air that's coming up through the heat gun doesn't make hot spots on our gumshoe. Now, this is a 4-inch pipe, and we're making these 6 inches. What we're going to do is just take the end of each one and put an L in it, like that. And like that. And then stick it through here, holes. There. And there. Now let's look down in here, and we want to make sure that this is kind of flat down in here, the way the two come together. And once that happens, and we get it adjusted like that, where it's just kind of nice there, we can just go ahead and bend these guys down here, and that'll lock that wire in place. Now we want to curve this thing so no one will get their fingers scratched or cut up in that. Just kind of out of the way. Now those wires sitting there. Then we take this washer, and this is a pretty big washer, but the only thing it has to do is the size of it. It needs to have a hole in the middle so the air can come up through the hole. But what we're trying to do is deflect the heat that's coming up. And we're going to set this washer right there on those 2 wires. And it'll be in the middle of our piece. Now, then when we stick this guy in there, we'll be able to adjust where the hot spot is. We'll be able to adjust where the washer is, and we'll be able to get a nice even flame, not flame, but even heat coming up through the stack so it will have a nice even heat on the gumshoe.